Something's on fire.
Most families live in houses, but we live in a double-decker bus.
We're a family of 7, living life a little differently.
This is 7 in a bus.
So, obviously, welcome back to the channel. We have got our wood still outside. I need to get it inside. But as you can see, all the tyres are still here. We are getting rid of them. We've got a plan. Travis helps with the tyres. He can help us get rid of them properly. So we're going to drop it down over the next week, pay him, and they'll go to be recycled, which is great. But I want to not carry all the wood back upstairs. So we're going to start boarding out the bathroom. So if Phoebe comes around here with you, we have started emptying out the bathroom now. So we're going to line out this wall to start with, and we'll start working his way around today in the bathroom area. So it's another area that's sort of ticked off the list. I'm trying to finish jobs to like first fix before moving on to another job. So let's start here and see how we get on. So we've got the square out, obviously we've got the drop on this. So we're just going to measure this out to work out what the drop's going to be. So I can get that in and it will slide across. Then we'll figure out the top. We're also going to line this out with ply, and then we're also going to push it over the top of it to make it waterproof. It's going to be a bit more like a wet room. It should be good. But if I get over a big boxed off, at least get in there. Right, let's go.
I love how you're casually doing it with the Care Bear.
With the Care Bear. 30 high, and we want to be 40 and a half long. Let's get that cut out. See if it fits. You have to go that way into it.
Turn it round.
Oh. I'm having a blonde moment. No,
At least go upright, doesn't it?
we've cut this wrong.
No, right, let me explain this because I'm just, right. So, you need to click, no, right.
We don't need to cut that bit
No,
out.
because then it's too high that way.
We've cut the wrong side. We need to cut the other side off. Don't we? So, like, I know what I've done. I've cut the square out. I need to cut the longer bit out so that can still be used, right? I need to cut some more out.
Yeah, so you need to just cut it.
I need to measure that side. Yeah, I need to measure that side square and cut the other bit off.
Yeah.
Duh. Let's go. Round 2. See if we get it right this time. Better.
See if it fits
Let's
now.
see if it fits.
That's better.
That is better. Right, next let's do another one.
So we've managed to get this one in now?
No.
Is it perfect or not?
No. Caught something. Right, I need to take an inch out this side because there's a beam that comes down which I need to cut out.
Right. That looks good to me.
That's better. Obviously, I know it's not perfect here, but by the time we've done the plastic, you won't see it. So I'm quite happy with that. We'll get it lined up to that so it's nice and flat. Get them joined up.
What have we found, comrade?
Rot. And a lot of it.
More rot.
Straight through there.
So
that's not connected to the chassis either, it's just loose.
Oh.
But it is one of the areas that we do needed doing anyway, so we'll rip this out and we can start looking to get it made up. More stuff to do. All good. So I'll knock about with this. It's rotten here, which is like the outside bar, which is replicated on the other side with the other door. That's also gone. So we knew that was bad. Behind that is okay, and there's plenty I can weld too. So I'm going to cut this out. It's all loose at the bottom now. I'm going to cut this up, keep it, and then, you know, probably next weekend we'll get the Artec out, and we will fabricate this back in. But probably likely fabricate it back up. I might just tack it in, but we have got to make a water tank to go, or a tank for the toilet to go in there. So while it's out, I can get in there and have a good look at what size tank I can get in and what space we've got for the toilet tank.
Nice goggles.
Thank you. PP all the way. Right.
God, it's got through that disc pretty quick.
Oh, yeah. I'll show you. So, it's crusty, but it's manageable. That, on the other hand, oh, let's get so clear, is explicitly gone. Actually, I think I'm going to cut this out now. I might just cut that bar out.
Okay.
So we've popped up to Scran this morning before going down to do some bus building, and Edie's going to smash egg and toast. Hi. So we're back down to the paper plate now. We're going to start putting some walls in. I've got an idea on how to do the curve, which we'll go through next. But before we do that, we've had an email today from the BBC asking if they can interview us. So we're just going to give them a quick ring back and see what they want, because we're not too sure what they want off us. But we'll have a look and we'll record the conversation with you so you can have a look what it's like. Wait for them to ring back, or we'll ring them again in a bit. It's like R5. So next plan is we're going to put the wall in here. Now, Nicole wants to false wall this so that it comes out, and that's what we're going to do. So I'm now going to be able to frame to false wall this out. We do need access to this underneath here, because obviously there's bits underneath it for the bus. There is actually an access panel, so it needs to be built and it can come out. Now this is going to be some sort of drying room for the bus. The vent will go in this top corner into the back. So drying room, toilet, sink and shower sort of built in here, be like a wet room. So let's build that wall out with limited timber that we've got for walls, and then get that boxed in.
This is the offcut from the bed upstairs. So this is big enough, we can use it for the floor in the bathroom. So we just need to cut 5 centimetres off it so it can fit.
And just so it makes sense on the video, we're doing this first so we can get the right height for the wall afterwards. So let's knock this 5 centimetres off and get it in place. Do you want to get the hoover out the green bus and give it a quick hoover before we lay this down?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Fit as the glove. Perfect. Level that there. And the wall we're going to build will start like here. And we can readdress this on the other side, which is fine. Right, let's get that screwed in. So we're just going to take off this blue lino here as well. Ripped off there, take off there, just so we've got a metal bit to work on. We can treat it while it's off then as well.
So I've done it in little bits as it's easier, and then I'm not trying to rip all 4 layers off at the same time. She says. Oh. Ta-da!
Well done.
So we're recycling more wood to make this wall. Coming along nicely.
So that's the same size as it has been. So put that there. That's the top of the wall. We just need to work out the size so it's equal at the bottom and the top. Let's go.
Let's walk round the other side. moment of truth. Does it fit? What's wrong, Conrad?
No, perfect.
Does it fit perfectly?
It fits. Conrad style. Fits. So we'll get that secured in. We'll brace it to that side and then we'll put face fork wall in there. We'll have a look at it from the other side and we'll see what's what.
Something's on fire!
That's why I was looking so confused.
I had to zoom in then, it was really zoomed in on your face. Oh.
What if it needs some gas or electrical plants are in?
Don't know. That's the second fire engine they need for that, so
I'll insert some drone footage.
yeah, it's all the way down. That big vehicle that's next to it was on fire a few weeks ago, so they must be getting used to this road.
So after all that drama, we're just going to be in queue because we need a bit more of this wood so we can build a wall that way, block it in. I'm going to do like a media wall into there for storage. Oh, it's a bit hard to explain. So here will be storage in media wall style. Behind we blocked in. We'll put a shower in there, a bit of storage, hanging maybe jackets on the back with the air vent. Drying room behind. So we're not doing storage, but it allows all this below here still to be an access panel. Very confused, but I know what I'm doing, I think. So you keep going. Be in queue. I hate coming here, but it's open, so we'll have to go here. Edie's coming for the trip out. Hello, Edie. Say hi. Oh yeah, that's a good pose. Don't do that again. Alright, let's go and see if they've got any in stock. £3.97. I remember it was like £2 something. Alright, let's get these loaded up. Find a trolley.
So we've been and got some more wood. I'm guessing Conrad knows what he's doing because he's just come in, got cracked straight back on with it. So yeah, hopefully we'll get this done this evening. Right, so we've built it. We're going to see if it fits in.
Extension.
But that's fine. We can use that. Does it fit?
Yeah, drives onto that one. Then we just need to figure out. So we need to need the tape measure.
Yo. Look at our bathroom. It's coming along nicely.
So that needs to go out. Yeah, so we need to put a pillar in here, and then they can be the drawers that can sit back. I don't think they want to be very deep. Maybe get some links and some shower gel that we can put in the bathroom of the green bus and measure. And then the bottom bit to be a drawer, so we still got access to this.
We could put towels in there.
Towels, yeah, all good. Right, let's get this in.
So it's coming together nicely. We're boarding it out.
So it's 58.5. So these are going to be the inserts for like the media wall. I'll show you what we've done on there. So these are going to be the inserts, like the media walls upstairs. Get these knocked off tonight and that'll be it, I think. Let's crack on.
Does it fit? That is the question. Ow! Perfect.
Oh, getting good at these. Right, screw this one in. So we're just about to lose light, but we're in. We're done. Oh. Toilet. We've got things to see. I don't think I'm going to fit on it.
Watch your head.
Look.
Yeah, you've got plenty of room.
That's alright. Your feet sort of dangle over the edge a bit though.
Yeah, but it is
how,
what it is.
how big the system on the back's got to be. So actually, that's the sort of system that was in B&Q. Oh, that's alright. It'll do. And on that note, we'll see you on the next one.